Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to unbox the, I would say, Costco version of the GoPro Hero 11. So I've got that here. This is what the packaging looks like when you first get it and pick it up from Costco. Let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, so that was just the cover. We'll take that off. Here it is, the Hero 11 GoPro in black. And you'll see that it is from Costco. Got the labeling there on the side. Let's see what's inside. Open this up. This comes with some additional accessories that might be available in some other versions as well. Comes with this case here, and we'll open this up, which is actually really nice that it comes with the case. Inside's a regular USB to USB-C cable, so we've got that in there. We've got some accessories, slide. We've got 2 batteries that come with it. So there are the additional batteries, which is really nice. This is all kind of put in here in a cardboard container. So we've got that. And I just opened up and everything fits in. Here's the mounting bracket here. Put that over there. So you've got the slide there, mounting bracket. Also comes with this nice holder tripod. So that's nice. Extends. I don't think this extends up. Oh, it does. A little bit. So that's the maximum height that it goes up to here. Put that there. And then, of course, got the GoPro. And it's wrapping here. We'll open this up. And here it is. Let's open that. Some stickers. They're really on here tight. There's that one. And this one here. So there it is. I'll be using this to film videos for you guys and do product reviews once I've had some time to use it. And then in here as well is a 64 gig SanDisk Extreme card. So that comes with it. Some promotional material. And instructions, product instructions. So that is it. That's the GoPro, the version that comes from Costco. I will link to it in the description. If you enjoyed this video and other videos, please consider subscribing and liking this video. Thank you very much.